थैंक यू।
वेलकम। ऑल राइट, नमस्ते किरण जी, आपका बेहद बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमारे शो पे आने के लिए, जिसका नाम है सुरक्षित ऑफिस वापसी। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग दिस शो टुडे। यस।
थैंक यू।
ऑल राइट करण, जैसे मैंने काफी आपके बारे में पढ़ा है, काफी चीजें आप जो पोस्ट करते हैं लिंक्डइन में काफी इंटरेस्टिंग होता है, तो मुझे आपसे जानना है कि आपकी एज अ लीडर अभी की स्थिति पे क्या आपका विचार है व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट कोविड सेकेंड वेव, व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट द करंट सिचुएशन? ओवर टू यू किरण।
The current situation definitely makes sure that we should be near our near and dear ones, and we should be with them. Family is most important. But that's it. That's what we talk about, and more importantly, for the economy to go on, it's extremely important that we do not get into a shell. Uh, right? If you look at the wildlife, the tortoise would be the oldest animal, survived without evolution for and it survives for 200 years, but the pace and growth is pretty slow, right? So you have to be out of your shell. The employers are taking enough steps to ensure that you are safe in offices. There are certain things which you need to do yourself: wearing a mask, maintaining social distance, get vaccinated as soon as you get a chance if you are still not done. But more importantly, you should ensure that the ball keeps rolling, the show must go on times. And it's like, if you do not work for the economy will not work for you, right? If you want prosperity, then you need to go out and get it.
क्या आपको बाहर जाना जरूरी है? ये सुनिश्चित करें कि आप वैक्सीनेटेड हो, ये सुनिश्चित करें कि आप सही प्रोटोकॉल्स का पालन करें, पर इकोनॉमी में हमें भागीदारी देना बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। वेल सेड किरण। मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, व्हाट यू थिंक इज द फ्यूचर ऑफ वर्क? लाइक यू सेड वेरी करेक्टली कि हमें वापस जाना है, हमें इकोनॉमी में अपनी हिस्सेदारी देनी है। दैट्स द रीजन इकोनॉमी वर्क फॉर अस, एंड दैट्स हाउ वी बीइंग फॉर्चुनेट इनफ टू गेट समथिंग, राइट? So what you think is the future of work? Is it like a traditional way, or is it like people can work hybrid? आपकी क्या राय है इस पे? Over to you, Kiran.
So how would you define work? Work is something either you like what you do, that's why you do it, or you are forced to do it, that's why you are doing it, or you expect you have greed, so you do it, or you fear something, so you do it. Now, in all the four cases, you are doing it for your own betterment or for survival, whatever may be the case. Most importantly, how you work also depends on what facilities or what infrastructures you have available with you. Work from home is a big fab. Yes, it's a fab, and it may work good where nuclear families are still not so rampant, and you have joint families at home, you do not have good infrastructure at home, you may be living in the poshest of the society, but the networks won't be working there, right? You do not know whether they work or not. So due to lack of infrastructure, if your productivity is falling, and if you're not getting for the time you spend, for example, in 8 hours, and there is not a balance between safety and exposure to a working environment. But I seriously feel if we take all the precautions, get vaccinated, do follow the COVID protocol, it's not a rocket science that how we will be going back to work. I feel the future lies in more in office rather than home.
I completely agree with you, Kiran, that हम लोग को बाहर जाना ही पड़ेगा। घर से हम लोग पूरे 100 साल नहीं काम कर सकते. Not going to happen. We are not wired enough to do such kind of way. So that's important. डॉक्टर को दिखाने भी बाहर जाना पड़ता है ना, so you have to go out. मतलब जैसे like I give you my example, उन्होंने बोला कि फोन से तो मैं देख नहीं सकता आपको. You have to come to my place and I'm going to examine you. That's the reason you go out. Similarly with the workplace, I completely understood. You have to go out and then help the economy to perfectly grow. All right, Kiran, what you think are the tools and technologies that an organization can use ताकि हम प्रोटोकॉल का सुनिश्चित कर सके कि हम उसको पालन कर सके? तो किरण, आपके राय में ये क्या टूल्स या टेक्निक्स होने चाहिए? Over to you, Kiran.
the basic tools that you need is you need something to disinfect the surfaces. You need something to disinfect your hands, by which you will be touching the surfaces and ensuring that you do not pass on. And the basic tools are like wear a mask is the most basic tool that I know about, and ensure that you get vaccinated. But when you talk about disinfection and things, make sure that you use the right product. Do not go for the cola of huge advertisements and stuff like that. Use the right product. See whether the product is approved by the concerned authorities to use. Is it validated against a certain type of virus that we are fighting today? And ensure that it does. For example, the organization I represent, Diversi, all the products from Diversi are related to COVID are certified by competent authorities and validated by competent authorities to perform against this virus. And you have got products which can disinfect the surface within 15 seconds and which has been certified by the authorities. It's kind of a wet tissue. It's called Oxivir TB wipes. A wet tissue, you wipe a desk, it is disinfected within 15 seconds. Things like that. Ensure that the premises are disinfected by regular frequent touch point disinfection. Use the right products. One more important point is now it's about life. So the employer can do all he can to provide you the peace and solace to come. But we as human beings would believe it only if we do it ourselves. And hence, Diversi has a range of a DIY disinfections called Hygienizer Kit. You come to your desk, spray some solution on the tissue, wipe it, and in 1 minute it gets disinfected. So when the person or the employee himself does it for a minute, so instead of working for 8 hours, he may have to work for 8 hours and a minute more to ensure that he's working safely.
Absolutely. Yes, Kiran, absolutely. I completely resonate your point when you said cleaning is very important. Using the protocol सही तरीके वैसे क्या होता है लोगों को पता नहीं कि क्लीनिंग उनको लगता है बस क्लीन कर दिया पर बहुत तरीके के केमिकल्स बहुत तरीके के जानकारी और इंफॉर्मेशन होता है while you clean a surface which is scientifically proven, right? So definitely yes on this. But what are the digital tools that you use? Like आपने क्लीनिंग तो कर दिया उसके बाद आप अपने वर्कफोर्स को कैसे मैनेज करेंगे टू मेक इट कंप्लीट टच पॉइंट्स को हम एकदम इरेडिकेट कर दे कि छुएं और साफ तो हो जाए फिर भी वो हम लोग ज्यादा उसे टच ना करें किसी भी सरफेस को. तो हम अपने वर्क प्लेस पे ऐसी किस प्रकार की डिजिटल टूल्स या किसी तरीका यूटिलाइज करें जिससे हम दूर रह सके किसी भी टच viruses से. तो over to you, Kiran. What's your eye on this?
I still feel frequent disinfection is the only way out. We should not automation should not be cannot replace the safety a chemistry can provide.
Yes, जितना साफ सफाई important है, surface cleaning important है, definitely technology उसे replace नहीं कर सकता, वो तो हमें manually ही करना है. So that's very true, Kiran. Thank you so much for a lot of lovely insights that you gave to all of us कि वापस तो आना ही पड़ेगा चाहे आप कैसे भी आए. आप लोग हैं to help us to clean all the surfaces, so that's very important and necessary. So thank you so much, Kiran. आपका वक्त का और आपके insights का बहुत बहुत दिल से शुक्रिया. Thank you for your time, sir.
Thanks, Diksha.
चलिए, जय हिंद, bye.